Currencies this morning, the euro is a hair's breadth from invalidating the diagonal down. If it does so, the bottom is in. This is the wave 5 of one up, and on a pullback we can go long the euro. Cable, I still think it's the 4 we're in. It can go a touch higher, but again, if it takes out this level here of this one, then bottom's in. We look for the pullback to go long in cable. US dollar, Japanese yen, I'd like to see it hold this low here and head on up into the top upper target region. But if it wants to come down one more time, 109.28 to 109.17 should hold it, and then we finally start the C of the 3 up in the US dollar Japanese yen pair. Dollar has come down a bit further this morning. It's not got to the invalidation level. I think this is still the 4 in the dollar with a 5th to come, and that's what makes me think that we haven't seen the bottom in the euro yet. And then Australian dollar, this 3 may or may not be in. We came just shy of the 1618 fib. Either way, this support needs to hold, and we need a 5th up. That would then give us the 1 of the A wave up that we're trading. So still long, still got my stops down here for now, but I did take half off yesterday for 130 pips. If we break this support region, I'll come out because that's only 3 up, not 5, and then reconsider and look to strike it again.